One of the coolest app you'll find on Canva for your projects, creating this travel map. Let's jump right in. Thank you to Webon. I follow him on YouTube and I want to share this with my community. You're going to start by going to apps and you're going to search for maps video. You will type maps video and you select the first one. You just click open and the tool is going to create a map video for you. You can use it in so many different ways. Let's pick the 10 seconds one, select an aeroplane, and then you just pick a country where you're from and a country where you want the plane to fly to. So let's pick USA to South Africa so that they can come by quarters. And then we click on start or create a video. So you do have a choice of adding a flag fill and then adding text as well. You can untick them if you don't want it. You just click on generate video and you wait. And then the video is created. You can click start over if you want to start over, or you just click add to design and then it loads it to our canvas. And we'll just add it as a background on Canva and then you see the magic happens. You see it's uploaded and it's also loaded on our library. We right click and we set video as background. And then when you play it, it looks like this. United States of America, they fly to South Africa to go buy quarters. If you like this video, share it so that we can help as many people as we can. Thank you for joining me.